வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே. Today we are going to see about zoology GK, human physiology. Nearly all the important questions covered in this video. The condition of wrinkled and keratinized corneal epithelium is called xerophthalmia. The percentage of oxygen in the inhaled air is 21%. The daily secretion of saliva ranges from 1000 to 1500 milliliter. Vitamin A plays an important role in visual perception. Which one of the following is an autoimmune disease? Myasthenia gravis. The wall of the stomach is protected against the action of HCl, hydrochloric acid, by mucus layer. The granulation of tissues around the site of fracture is called callus. The polysaccharide found in liver and muscle is glycogen. Deficiency of vitamin D causes osteomalacia. The gallstones are formed of cholesterol. Deficiency of vitamin B1 causes beriberi. The disease due to inborn error of urine metabolism is commonly called gout. Number of myofibrils found in each muscle fiber is 4 to 20. Which enzyme acts on milk protein? Renin. An example of structural protein is muscles. Hematoma is formed during bone fracture. Calcium ion needed for muscle contraction is released from sarcoplasmic reticulum. Which arthritis is characterized by the deposition of sodium urate crystals and articular cartilage, synovial membrane, and in the periarticular tissues? Metabolic arthritis. The connective tissue proteins are not synthesized due to the deficiency of vitamin C. The disease which is caused by airborne droplets is tuberculosis. Pancreatic amylase converts starch into maltose. Which of the following is responsible for rigor mortis? Lysosome. The vitamins that reminds us a coenzyme in tissue metabolism and found useful in the process of oxidation of glucose in central nervous system is B1. Minerals that are essential for cardiac function is potassium and calcium. Which one of the following is caused due to immunological disorder against an unknown antigen? Rheumatic arthritis.